Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be installing the Hermes Agent. This is one of the most powerful AI tools that you can be using. It's right up there with tools like OpenClaw. But long story short, I'm just going to show you how to set it up in this video. I am currently on a Windows computer here, or at least everything in this box is a Windows computer. Even though it looks like I'm on a Mac, this is a Windows guide to install. So to begin, we're going to go to Hermes Agent on Google and make sure we're on the official Hermes-agent.nousresearch.com. So let's go ahead and press copy on the install command here and then paste that into our terminal. Oh, wait 1 second. I forgot one critical step. We're going to press Control-C if you made it this far. Control-C just creates a new line. It kind of pegs it out. Typing clear to make that look pretty. We want to be on something called WSL, which is something Windows supports for setting up links. Now, if you don't already have WSL, you're going to do WSL space -- installed Ubuntu and then press enter. And make sure install was spelled the right way. And then we'll go ahead and set up Ubuntu. And then you're going to press WSL, and then it's going to change to like this green and blue stuff. And that means, hey, it's working. And now we can paste that command in. And here it says Hermes Agent Installer, the open source AI agent by whatever that is, Research. It's an interesting company, that's for sure. So it's going to go through its setup. And if you have any luck, you're not going to... but like it's not going to mess up. It's just going to dive. Okay, we installed it. We're going to go ahead and give it a minute. Sit through this. At the very bottom, if you scroll, you can't click in this thing, by the way, of this terminal box. You gotta use your keyboard, but you can't scroll up and down. And make sure we're at the bottom so we can see what's actually happening. And when it's ready for us to go to the next step. Okay, once you're at this step, we can now choose, I'd like to do the full setup, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll walk you through each step here and make this nice and simple. Now we get to choose what AI provider we want to use. This is where the actual AI horsepower comes into play, because this AI is not going to be running locally on your computer. The system will be the agent, but where it gets its gas, we're going to get that from a data center. Now, if you really want to do a local auction, I'm sure there's something on here, right here, LM Studio. If you have a really beaky computer, that might work well for you there. In fact, I think this computer does have that option, but I'm going to go ahead and choose OpenAI Codex, which most people can use with their ChatGPT subscription. So then you're going to copy and paste this into your browser. We'll just do that like that there. And choose the account that you want to set up with Hermes. Now we're going to go back. We're going to copy this code. Now we're signed in. If you're having troubles copying and pasting, try Control-Shift-C on Windows to copy out of here. Now we're going to choose our default model. We're going to choose the 5.5 as the latest one. And this is going to ask us a whole bunch of things. So select the TTS provider. This is text to speech. If you want to talk to you can choose like a really good quality. Anything that needs an API key is probably going to cost extra money. So we'll do, I don't know what Kitten is. I'll try that. Install it. You don't have to install Kitten. You can keep it on something else or keep it on the default. And now we're going to be here at next iterations. I've been using, it says keep 60, use 90 for most tasks, or 150 plus. I've been doing like 100. I honestly don't know the impact of that yet. On this, I would recommend you type in off or new to keep things nice and readable. This, I would recommend saying to point at 5. And then just go ahead and select the default there. Default. You can just press enter. This is where we would integrate a Telegram configuration. I have other videos on this that you can go check out. If we chose to do this, I'll go ahead and press enter like we're going to. You would enter your bot token there, which again, I put the videos on. We can go check out. It's pretty simple. That way you can talk to it on your phone. I press enter through here, local browser. I'm gonna press skip on that. Yes, on that. Press skip. But there. Now we're gonna copy this. So Control-Shift-C and then Control-Shift-V. And then now we can type in Hermes. And just like that, Hermes is now running up here in a way that we can talk to. So you can say hello, and then initialize the agent. And this is how you can use Hermes. Or you can set up Telegram and talk to it through a nice app, non-terminal interface, and start having it do things for you. Start having it plug into your business. It's literally that easy. I know you may think like, well, how do I get access to something? Just ask it. Say, hey, I want to set up a social media integration where you're posting online Facebook content. What do we need to do to make that happen? Let's brainstorm. And then it will actually build some skill sets, start plugging in everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and ask it, hey, I'd like you to figure out how to plug into my Facebook account to do my marketing for me. And that, so just type that in there or speak it in there, whatever you want to do. The way you speak it in there, you need like a different program for that. See, it's already doing some web research. It's already going up there trying to figure out what to do. It's going to come back with a plan. Now, Hermes is literally that simple to set up. One more thing I'd recommend you do, though, over here. I press Control-C to exit out and to go back into Hermes. Type in Hermes. I'm going to ask it this. Would you please set your auxiliary model for compaction to GPT 5.4 me? Now, you can just literally copy and paste that. But I found that this makes it run faster. Whenever it goes to compact its memories, it's using a smaller model, runs faster. So let's go handle that, which is really nice. Also, you can start telling it what type of personality you would like it to adhere to. That's very valid at this point. And that's say, hey, your name is Bob. You're here to help me grow my business. You're here to help me coach me on this, or whatever the purpose of the agent is, where you can just use it right out of the box and you don't have to do that. All right, so I'm going to exit out of Hermes and type in Hermes-age for help. And here's all with names you can run with it. I'm trying to find Hermes profile. Hermes create profile, maybe? I forget how it works. Oh, Hermes profile create doing what's net Bob. So now we just created a new agent that then we can type in Bob setup and kind of go through the setup here. We might have to Hermes Bob setup. I forget how this exactly works. And that to restart your terminal ports to take effect. But that's how you create new agents. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's how you set up Hermes. Hope you enjoy it.